In some cases, you might want to use images as backgrounds. This is going to be very helpful if you want to add some texts on top of them. So let's do this together. I'm going to delete my normal image. I'm going to add a new container in my card. I just hit my C key on the keyboard. My container has a default width of 200 pixels, but I'm going to set it to 100%. I'm going to set the ratio as previously to 16/9, and I'm going to remove here the 100 pixels fixed height and set it to auto. Now I have the same proportions as before. I'm going to move my container on top of the content, and finally I'm going to go here to the background section. I'm going to choose image, going to click on this icon that opens the option panel, and I'm going to click on this icon that opens the assets manager. Finally, I'm going to replace the image, and one more thing, I'm going to center it. Okay, so now if you look into your left inspector, you will see that despite the fact that we have the same appearance, this time the image is rendered as a container, not an image tag. So now I can add a text. I'm hitting my T key on the keyboard, and I'm going to make this text more visible by setting the color to white. I'm going to make it a bit bigger, and I'm going to also center it like this. I'm going to place it at the bottom of my container. I think some padding would be nice as well. I'm going to set that to 32 pixels or 2 units, and I can edit my text now. And I'm going to set sunset over Pennsylvania. Okay, so with this technique, when you use an image as a background, you can now add other items in the container, such as this text, and have a nice array of options in terms of design.